Hello and welcome to Canon's varioPRINT iX series, our world-class sheet-fed inkjet innovation for high-quality, versatile, and productive printing that is truly revolutionizing the printing behavior of commercial printers. Traditionally, commercial printers needed to choose between high image quality and media versatility on one hand, or productivity and cost-efficient printing on the other. But now, with the varioPRINT iX series, they can have it all. Thanks to its stunning 1200 DPI quality, innovative Aquarius iX technologies, and wide media range of coated and uncoated stocks from 60 to 350 GSM, commercial printers can say yes to basically any job. Then printed with the productivity and cost efficiency of inkjet, helping to achieve more profit and more business. That's because the iX series was designed based on 4 value propositions: productivity and cost efficiency, quality excellence, and application versatility. The varioPRINT iX offers the highest productivity with a throughput of up to over 18,000 letter images per hour, which can also equate to up to 9,360 4/4 sheets per hour or 4,500 12x18 4/4 sheets per hour, all at a cost efficiency driven by reduced labor and processing costs with considerably lower running costs than other sheet-fed production print technologies. And just look at the high quality and versatile printed output displayed here, from high quality postcards to direct mailing campaigns, mixed media booklets, perfect bound books, customized magnets, and more. So let's take a closer look and let you experience firsthand the varioPRINT iX series. The varioPRINT iX comes standard with 2 paper input modules known as PIM that have 4 trays each, holding a total of 4,500 sheets in each PIM. An optional third PIM is possible, providing a total capacity of 13,500 sheets over 12 trays. The trays can be used for feeding different media or linked together for a larger print run. Each paper tray is equipped with a moisture control unit, which maintains the relative humidity level between 40 and 60% in the trays at a constant level, helping to prevent the media from waving or curling. The PIMs have a fan control that adapts its speed automatically depending on the assigned paper characteristics. Lightweight papers need low fan speed, while heavier papers require high fan speed. This air knife technology separates the media and then vacuum suction lifts each sheet up to be fed to start the printing process. The combination of vacuum feed and air separation is designed to optimize reliable feeding. The top 2 trays support sheet sizes ranging from 8 by 8 inches up to 12 by 19 inches, while the bottom 2 trays enable an expanded size up to 14 inches width by 20 inches length, the ability to load paper without interrupting print, and the ability to mix medias from different trays reduces manual processes such as collating, and are just 2 ways the varioPRINT iX helps to improve overall productivity and ensure you to meet those tight turnaround schedules. Working with the paper input module's moisture control that helps sheets lay flat is the sheet entry control. The sheet entry control, also known as Sentry, scans incoming sheets for deformations with an inline 3-dimensional camera that measures the height of each sheet and checks it with the parameters saved in the media catalog. This way, a deformed sheet such as paper wave, paper curl, or dog ears will be rejected and not be entered into the printing process. The goal of safeguarding the sheet entry is to avoid potential printhead collision and paper jams that would halt production. This contributes to our reliable 94% uptime. Sheet-fed printing means transporting loose sheets through the printing process. Sheets of any size, weight, and type, printed and unprinted. The paper transport needs to be flexible, reliable, and accurate for good quality and front-to-back and image registration. The varioPRINT iX series uses airflow and vacuum suction to manage the sheets in transport all through the paper path. Air is applied to hold the sheet flat and accurately in place on a rigid belt made from a single sheet of stainless steel for outstanding precision. The varioPRINT iX series has a sheet monitoring system that keeps track of the sheets that pass through the engine, which can be up to 37 sheets at any given time. Before a sheet is even separated from the paper stack in the pen, an individual state machine considered its personal media traffic controller is assigned to it. This state machine gives the sheet a unique identifier, applies a precise timetable, retrieves the image and sends it to the print heads, and monitors the movement of the sheet through the process. When the sheet reaches the start of the page position, the nozzles start to drop ink onto the sheet and starts the printing process. As we begin the printing process, you can see the 1200 DPI print heads move into their print position. The ink is cooled before entering the print head in chillers, and while in the print head, it is surrounded in a cooling jacket that helps to manage and optimize print head performance and stability. The inks are a proprietary water-based polymer ink developed and manufactured by Canon. The water-based polymer pigment inks provide color intensity and stability, a robust layer of ink on every supported media type. The iX series also uses Color Grip, a conditioning liquid that helps deliver even more flexibility in media choice. Color Grip instantly immobilizes the pigments in the ink to help prevent pigments from being absorbed in uncoated papers and reduce bleed through, while also helping to prevent pigments from bleeding together and dot gain on coated materials. This results in a high color gamut, vibrant colors, and ability for fine line details. When in the rest position, the print heads sit in a cooling liquid. Just prior to advancing into the print position, they go through a purge and wipe process. This process blows air through each nozzle to expel any paper dust or air pockets, followed by a dry and wet tissue wipe to remove remaining particles that may inhibit print quality. An automated nozzle maintenance control feature then helps ensure the healthiness of each nozzle's activity and uniformity. The system regularly prints a nozzle activity control quality assurance sheet called a NAC that is inspected by an inline scanner to detect if nozzles are working properly and to act if deviations are noticed. The iX series automatically corrects for insufficient nozzle performance by increasing the droplet size from neighboring nozzles. Controlling 191,232 nozzles in a print head and having them perform in an identical way might be considered a big task, as some nozzles eject larger droplets than others. The same is true when comparing different print heads. To help prevent this from leading to visible differences on the print, a static nozzle uniformity control sheet called a NUC is performed at installation of the machine. Thereafter, a dynamic nozzle uniformity control test sheet can be printed automatically during print runs to correct differences between nozzles within a print head before a job is started or even during the printing process. By using the dynamic NUC procedure, will help maintain the control of the system's quality over time and over all media types. In an industry where so many print technologies require skilled operators to make quality decisions, the varioPRINT iX series automated nozzle control offers you consistent, repeatable, and dependable print quality, all with no operator intervention required to produce prints with a wide color gamut, perfect smoothness, and sharp, detailed lines and text. For ink, permeation, and robust auto-perfecting and post-processing, the varioPRINT iX uses an innovative 3-step drying technology. The first is a 167 degrees heated drum that uses vacuum suction and hot air impingement to dry the water-based ink. It then enters the post-fixation unit, where a burst of 290-degree humidity fixates the polymer particles into the paper, and finally the paper is cooled to about 70 degrees as it passes through the cooling unit for a lay-flat printed sheet that is both robust and durable. After the drying process, the sheet enters the high-capacity stacker. The iX series high-capacity stacker can stack up to 6,000 sheets, delivering 3,000 sheets at a time, so they can be unloaded while still printing. Up to 2 stackers can be supported, which can be addressed separately or linked for longer unattended print runs. Or it can pass directly to an inline finishing configuration to automate your end-to-end production, allowing you to deliver finished products such as saddle stitch booklets, cut and stack postcards, perfect bound books, and more, to help you save time and manual process steps. The PrismaSync controller is the heart of the varioPRINT iX series, steering performance, usability, image quality, and color quality, while also offering a seamless workflow integration. The operating concept for print production is based on the following principles to maximize efficiency and productivity. Document preparation and job submission tasks are clearly separated from print production tasks. Skill-based workflow gives customers ease of mind and flexibility in production staff planning. Expert settings such as color presets or detailed media-related settings are implemented once centrally. All clients have immediate access to reuse these settings without expert knowledge. Media-driven workflow preferred over tray-driven workflow minimizes operator error. Intuitive and convenient operation at all workflow steps. Less mistakes means less waste and more work done in less time. All system components work seamlessly together. Operating concept and workflow is harmonized with other Canon production devices. Less training required, faster learning curve and production startup, more flexible staff planning as all operators can handle all machines. For the highest uptime and machine availability, proactive service of the varioPRINT iX series is a data-driven service concept using sophisticated data analysis to support increased uptime of each press. It helps to significantly reduce service visits and allows proactively scheduled visits at the most convenient time. The iX indicates how many prints have been made since the last service, and data analysis detects whether one of the subsystems is showing signs of wear. This allows Canon service to schedule the next appointment, keeping the engine running when you need it most. If a part should ever break, our remote diagnostic systems increase the efficiency of service visits. The machine data helps Canon technicians prepare before they visit, so they have all the right parts and cleaning agents at hand. Canon recognizes time is money, and we strive to keep you running so you can provide your customers with the SLA they need. As you've just seen, the varioPRINT iX series is a highly versatile press based on proven Aquarius iX technology, offering high uptime, reliability, and productivity designed to optimize production in less time while keeping running costs low. With the wide range of media, a vast array of potential applications, high 1200 dpi image quality, the varioPRINT iX is ideal for printers who need productive and fast production with minimal calibration and time-intensive setups. We are redefining the cost, productivity, versatility, and quality equation, putting the Canon varioPRINT iX series printer in a class of its own while allowing you to say yes to more business and more profit. Thank you for your time, and we invite you to visit our world-class Customer Innovation Center in Boca Raton, Florida, to experience the varioPRINT iX series yourself.